Hi everyone. In the video today, I'm going to show you how to use the Major Explorer. This is a useful tool for discovering majors based on your goals and interests. From your Navigate homepage, go ahead and scroll over to the My Major link on the left. This will take you to your Major Explorer. You can start the Major Explorer by clicking on the View Details tab. This will take you through a series of questions relating to your goals, interests, and suggested fields of study. Take your time as you go through each step and answer accurately for the best results. One thing to keep in mind as you go through the Major Explorer is that you can only choose up to 3 categories at one time when it's asking about your likes and interests. So if you have 3 selected, deselect one and select another. At the end of the questions, various majors will be suggested for you to explore. Scroll down to look at these majors, and if one is of interest to you, click on the View More Details button. In here, you can read more specifics about the majors, including a background for the program, outcomes, and top career suggestions. You can always go back and view another major. When you are done exploring your majors, just click Done Exploring at the bottom. It's always possible to go back and view your results again, or to take another Major Explorer and to change your answers to get some varied results. I hope you found this video useful, and please join us again sometime for another instructional Navigate video.